welcome to my channel, and today I have a fashion styling video for you. So if you're into fashion and styling and all that good stuff and you're looking for fashionable looks on a budget, then this is the video for you. I am not going to waste your time. This is a styling of clothes from the LookBookStore and Grapent, which are sister stores. It sells women fashions, the latest trends in fashion, and they also have classic pieces too, and they're really affordable, which is why I like them. And that is why I have partnered with them once again to share with you some really nice cardigans, sweaters, sleepwear, loungewear, and jackets. So now is the time, to be gift shopping and buying, and these are some really nice pieces. So I'm going to go over them in detail one by one, and then I'm going to do a styling. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around, like and subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. And remember, I only put my stamp of approval on things that I really like. So let's just jump right into it. The first cardigan is a very lightweight, breathable cardigan. This would be perfect for those of you who live in like Southern California and you don't have a lot of season changes, but you want just to add a nice little layering for some style. This would be great. It does have pockets on the front, and I like the length of it. And like I said, it's very lightweight and very breathable, knit, well-made cardigan. Okay, so the next piece is this nice piece, and I love this one. Now, this one is more, feels like a cozy little blanket. So if you like feeling comfy and you want to wrap up and snuggle up, then this is the cardigan for you. And this is great, like if you live in an area like Georgia, where I live, where you actually do have the seasons and you can experience the cool and crisp air of fall, then this would be a really great piece for you to have. Let me give you a close-up look of it. So it has just a nice soft texture to it. You have nice big buttons, oversized buttons, and this would be great to wear with just about anything. I love the natural look of this. They do come in other colors, by the way. Okay, so this next cardigan is a more vibrant fall color, golden yellow, which I love. And I love this kind of knitting design on the front, nice big bold buttons. And this is so great. This is like an acrylic blend, and so it's nice and warm, perfect for layering. You can wear it so many different ways once again. So that one is another one that I wanted to share with you. This is loungewear. So this is a two-piece set in charcoal gray. It comes with the bottom with the drawstring, and they're fitted around the ankle. So kind of like when you piece it together and tuck it in, it can almost look like a jumpsuit set. But I really like it because it's one of those quick and easy go-to things where you can just throw on and look pulled together, and if you have to run errands, you don't have to worry about what am I going to wear. So I picked that up, or picked that one out. This is loungewear, or you could wear it as sleepwear. This is very lightweight, but this is considered loungewear. So you could go out in public with it, or if you just want to lounge around home and curl up in bed, you can look cute around home as well. So once again, it has the drawstring band and fitted at the ankles. And I like how you have that contrasting trim around the hem and around the neck and the sleeves. So really cute, very soft, and I love the quality of the fabric. Okay, so the next piece is just I call it a teddy bear sweatshirt because it has that kind of teddy bear feel to it. Really nice. And this is like in a mauve color, and you can just throw these on with jeans and just be ready to go for the day. Okay, so the next piece is an actual sleepwear, and I picked this up because you already know red and black is my favorite color, and this would be great for photo ops like during the holidays. You could all put on your matching PJs and take pictures. So I love the checkerboard print that matches the pocket on the front. So really cute, love that. And this is one of my favorite pieces out of the pieces that I selected. And I love this military style blazer. It has a collarless neckline with the buttons, and it hooks here with a single hook in the front. It does have actual pockets in the front. It's like that military style. I absolutely love it. It's just like a little fitted blazer. So cute. And this kind of gives me Janet Jackson, Rhythm Nation vibes. What do you think? I would love to wear this. You already know me with turtleneck, boots, and jeans, and just be cute, casually cute. Next is this golden blazer. not quite as golden as this one, but a nice yellow blazer, single button, fully lined, just like the other blazer is fully lined as well. Really nice. You have your little split in the back for a nice comfort, and I picked that up as well. I think that will look great with a lot of different things, skirts, etc. So I also chose this light denim jacket to style because I think, you know, denim is a year-round piece, and this light denim, it's just kind of has a softness to it, and you could wear it with a lot of different things, and you can do so many layering with it, so much, you know, different things with it. All right, so the next piece I got is this denim jacket, and I like this piece because it's nice and warm and cozy, and it's just got this interior lining. It's kind of like that faux kind of sheep wool type on the inside. It's distressed on the outside. You have front pockets, and this is really like, you see a lot of this inside of boots and shoes and trims, and now even on handbags. I know Coach has a whole line where they have that kind of the name eludes me now, but you know what I'm talking about. But I just love that, and once again, it's nice and warm and cozy for the fall and winter. So stick around. I'm going to do some stylings of these pieces, and then we'll close out. This long gray lightweight cardigan is perfect to wear with jeans or slacks, and here I'm giving you two options. In the first look with jeans and a light colored turtleneck and some long boots, and in the second look an all black base, which you know I love, and some shorter booties which complement the gray cardigan. They're kind of a lighter color gray, but they work very well. So when you're pairing, you know, outfits with a long cardigan, I would try to make it proportionate and balanced by keeping it slim on the bottom. Like I say, with a straight leg, a skinny jean, or a slim boot cut. I think that would be a more sophisticated and stylish look. And these are two options for styling this cardigan. Changing up the cardigan and the handbag, and that's it. This particular cardigan is a little bit heavier weight than the last one that I showed you, but it is so cozy and comfortable, and I absolutely love it. It's perfect for winter and fall, perfect for layering. And like I said, if you're looking for a very casual but pulled together look, this is definitely the way to go. Only changing up the shoes and the bag. This golden cardigan is a classic style cardigan, perfect for layering, perfect for the fall. Absolutely love it. This color is so vibrant, and I think it pairs well with jeans, and I think it would also look good with a green underbase, like maybe a green dress with a slight print would be so nice. I'm thinking of a paisley dress. That would be so cool with this. Keeping with the golden tones, this is a slightly more subdued yellow, still very vibrant and beautiful, but I love the cropped style, fitted, tailored look of this blazer. And you know me, I love a black base, so I thought it would pair well with this black pleated skirt and black leggings, and just really sophisticated. This would be great for business, for church, just for a dressy casual look, but you could also wear it with jeans as well. So many different ways you could style this blazer, but very classic fit. I'm calling this blazer my Rhythm Nation blazer. I absolutely love this military style blazer, and I like the idea of pairing this on an all black base. So once again, I just kept that same outfit from before, but changed up the shoes and the bag. So I gave you two options, one with skirt and one with pants. Either way, you're gonna look stylish and pulled together and sophisticated. This button detailing on this jacket just really makes a statement. Let me know in the comments below what you think. For this light wash denim jacket, I decided to go for a somewhat Western look. This is as Western as I can get you all without a hat. But I have on a pair of slight boot cut pants that have some studded detailing on one leg, and I paired them with some black boots to balance out the black with the turtleneck. So you can see I use a lot of the same basic pieces underneath and then just switch it up with the layering and the accessories. So this is how I would style this denim jacket, or at least one of the ways. Well, I chose to once again use black as an all base for highlighting this kind of mauve colored teddy bear sweater, what I call it. It's really kind of like a terry cloth material, very, very warm, and I just think it pops against the black. But of course you could wear it with blue jeans, you could wear it with leggings. There's so many different options for styling this, but the point is it's very, very comfortable, it's very, very warm, and I absolutely love it. The term I could not think of earlier was shearling. So this has a faux shearling on the interior of the jacket, which I really love. It keeps you very, very warm. And once again, I'm going with a quick, easy styling just to highlight the denim jacket of an all black base. So I kept on what I had previously and just switched up the jacket, and you can really see how it stands out against the black. And like I say, you can wear it so many other ways, but this is just one option. So this is a two-piece kind of jogger set, and I paired it with my leopard print shoes and handbag. I think this gray color allows those two items to kind of pop. So this is just perfect for highlighting any of your statement shoes or handbags that you want to make. Keep it simple, and you know, there you go. You have a quick pull together look, especially for those quick errands when you just have to run and you don't really want to think about what you're going to wear. Then just throw this on and you are ready to go. Of course, you could jazz it up with jewelry, but I really just wanted to highlight the two-piece set. How many of you like to sleep in PJs in the wintertime? Me, I do, and this is definitely comfortable and cozy. I love the feel of it. It's super, super soft, and there's not really much more for me to say about it, because when you go to sleep, you just want to be comfortable and you don't want anything constricting, and this feels super, super good next to the skin. Here's another option of PJs offered from the LookBookStore. Very, very comfortable, just like the previous set, but just a different styling and color. And like I say, if you want to do photos during the holidays, this is the perfect set to buy. And that is all that I have for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Well guys, that is it for my styling of the pieces that I selected from the LookBookStore and Grapent. Really nice, fashionable pieces that won't break the bank. Be sure to check them out on Amazon. I'll leave all the links down below, and let me know what you thought about the stylings. What pieces did you like best? I'd love to hear from you if you've shopped the LookBookStore and what your thoughts are. Go ahead and spread the word about my channel. I'd love to grow this channel, and I appreciate everyone who's liked, subscribed, and continue to tune in on a regular basis. I really, really appreciate you. And remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He loves us so much. I love you too, and I'll see you very, very soon with another thrift haul. Bye.